What's up, guys? Welcome back to Do More Review. Today, we've got something special for you, an early look at the Jordan for retro frozen moments. If you're a sneakerhead or just someone who appreciates top-tier designs, you won't want to miss this one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the mission as we dive into this iconic pair. Let's crack open this box. First off, check out the minimalistic design of the packaging. Classic Jumpman logo on top, sleek and simple. Now let's open this up. The craftsmanship here is phenomenal. You can really appreciate the suede and leather overlays on the upper. The blend of these materials not only gives the shoe a luxurious feel, but also makes it durable. Comfort is key, right? This Jordan 4 is as comfortable as it looks. Whether you're rocking these for style or actually playing in them, the fit feels just right. The padding around the ankle area adds that needed support without sacrificing the sleek look. So, where did I get this early look from? Let me introduce you to nicekicksmall.com. They are one of the best replica sneaker sites out there. If you're familiar with the sneaker industry in Putian, China, you know this city is famous for making top-quality replica shoes available. What's even better? Nice Kicks Mall has direct relationships with these brands' factories. This means you're getting top-notch replicas at a fraction of the price. They handpick the best products, so you don't have to worry about quality. And let me tell you about their customer service, it's top tier. From quality inspection to delivery and even customs service, they've got you covered. If you run into any issues after purchasing, just reach out to them, and they'll solve it quickly and smoothly. Look at the attention to detail here, the stitching, the materials, the finishing touches. This is why Nice Kicks Mall is a go-to site for anyone looking for high-quality replicas. You won't be disappointed, or others like it. Head over to nicekicksmall.com. They've got a variety of replica sneakers, and trust me, the prices are unbeatable for the quality you're getting. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Nice Kicks Mall. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know what sneaker you want to see next in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep doing more. Keep reviewing more.